Your gut health affects your entire body, from immune system to mental well-being. In fact, your gut health reflects 70% of human system. Hello, I'm Dr. Amit Palve, practicing physician at Risewell Multispecialty Hospital, पुणे. आणि आज आपण बोलूया गट हेल्थ म्हणजेच आतड्यांचे किंवा पोटाचे आरोग्य, जे आपल्या सर्वांगीण आरोग्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचे असते. Studies had shown that unhealthy gut can lead to the conditions like bloating, fatigue, and even mental health issues. Around 1 in 5 people suffer from IBS, that is irritable bowel syndrome, and poor gut health, which is linked to the conditions like diabetes, heart diseases, and even depression. आतड्यांचे आरोग्य जपण्यासाठी प्रोबायोटिक्स, फायबरयुक्त आहार व स्ट्रेस कमी करणे फार महत्त्वाचे आहे. Diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fermented food can increase the diversity of gut bacteria. And add on to this, stress relieving exercises can help you to maintain your gut health. At Dr. Palve's Risewell Multispecialty Hospital, we are working round the clock to help to resolve your queries.